Hi everyone, welcome back to Scrummy. Today I'm going to show you how to make a coconut biscuit. These are really nice. There's some porridge oats in them, some desiccated coconut. They're really gorgeous and there's a lovely crunch to them. We all love them here and I hope you like them too. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is going to mix all the dry ingredients together. So into a large bowl I'm going to add in porridge oats, some sugar, desiccated coconut, and self-raising flour, and just give them a little mix together. And that's ready. I'm just going to set this to one side and get a saucepan, and into this I'm going to add in some butter and some golden syrup. A really good tip for removing golden syrup from the tin is to dip your spoon into a little bit of oil, and it makes it so much easier to get it out of the tin and off the spoon as well. All these tips are really handy when it comes to baking. Now what I'm going to do is going to get this onto a medium heat. I'm going to melt the butter and golden syrup together. Now we just want to melt this very gently and just stir it continuously so it doesn't burn or stick. When the butter and golden syrup is fully melted, get some baking soda and add in some warm water. Just mix it together. And now we're going to add it to the butter and golden syrup. And this will fizz up a little. Now just give that a mix. And that's ready. Let's remove it from the heat. Now we can pour the butter and golden syrup into our dry ingredients. And give everything a good mix until it's well combined. Okay, that's fully mixed in now, so I'm just going to set this to one side for a minute and get my tray. This is just a standard baking tray. I've lined it with greaseproof paper and I've stuck the paper down with a little bit of butter. Now get a dessert spoon and take a big spoon off the mixture and pop it into your hand. And I'm going to shape this into a ball, like that, and I'm going to press it down a little and just shape it a little bit too, and pop that onto your greaseproof paper. Do that for all of the mixture. This amount of mixture makes about 16 of these coconut biscuits. And we've got another one, and it's important to leave a little bit of room between them so when they expand they're not baking into one another. I pop about 8 on each tray. And that's the last one for this tray. So I'm going to get these into the oven and they're only going to take about 10 to 15 minutes to bake. These are fully baked, they're a golden colour and they smell wonderful. I can just smell the coconut off them. I'm going to leave them on the trays for about 10 minutes and then I'm going to pop them onto a wire rack to cool completely. Let's try one of these, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to break one in half so you can see the inside of it. Look at that. A lovely, thick, crunchy, chewy biscuit. It tastes so delicious. You can taste the golden syrup and the coconut is just beautiful in them. And there you have them. Those are my coconut biscuits. They're absolutely gorgeous, really easy to make. The flavours from the coconut and golden syrup are really good in them as well. There's a great crunch to them, and as my mum would say, there's good eating in them because they're a nice thick biscuit. All right, I hope you enjoyed them. Try them out and let me know in the comments down below if you do. Thanks so much for watching everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you all soon. Happy baking everyone and enjoy.